Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be reviewing, really quickly, the iSteady Pro Gimbal for the Hero 3, 4, 5, and 6. We're going to do a quick unboxing and demonstration of this to see how well this works in terms of the features and the functions, close-up shots, so on and so forth. It is made by HoHem, H-O-H-E-M, and we're going to do a quick unboxing of it. It's real simple. It comes with a three-legged tripod if you needed to stick it on a stand, a table like so if you needed to focus on something. It seems to be pretty sturdy. It's not all that big, okay? But it will work for your situation if you're, like, say, on a cruise and you want to record something on the table and the ship is moving. It'll prevent it from shaking, so that's good. It also comes with a charging cable as well. There is a piece of software that you can download to do more fine-tuning of this. You can connect to it via Bluetooth, and there is a optional connection on the side here to add in attachments such as an LED light or something else, a microphone. If you could pop into the microphone input of the older Heroes that have the microphone input on it, you can do that, and then you can use the gimbal to focus in on your subject and have microphone capability. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to install this Hero 6, is what I have right here, and we're going to see if we hear any noises on the gimbal. All right, so we got this down pretty secure, so let's power this thing on. Now there's an LED that flashes on the gimbal that lets you know the mode that you're in. So if it just flashes once, it's mode 1. And we are on mode 4. And we're just doing a normal walk. I want to see if you hear anything. Now, if we do hear motor noise, then I could surely guess that this is a defective version, and I will be returning it. And if we do, we do. Now, there are other options on here. There's F1 and F2, so if you could program F1 and F2 to be specific functions. And that's pretty much it. It's a non-removable battery pack. There is on the side a charging level indicator here. So it is overall a very, I like it. So what you can do is remotely control the camera from your cell phone via Bluetooth if this was on a tripod. And I find that pretty freaking cool. That's a nice little feature. So guys, in conclusion, we can clearly hear that there is motor noise in the iSteady Pro by HoHem, because for $100, I guess you get what you pay for, per se. There are other reviews of this product that there are no motor noise. However, this could be a different revision and they changed some of the motor function, the motors here. Now you actually hear the noise. So anyway, guys, if you like this video and you feel that it was a true review and nothing, false about it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe to JoeteckTips. Push it around, share it as much as you can. And of course, have a great day. Joe Tech out.